Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha, and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, today's video. Okay, so the accounting entry which we will be studying today is we withdrew cash from bank for personal use rupees 2000 and for office use rupees 10,000. Okay friends, so many times it happens that you as a proprietor, you withdraw cash. Okay, so out of that cash, some amount of money you give it to your accountant for making the daily expenses and some amount of money you keep it with yourself. So how you have to make that accounting entry? Okay, so first of all, let's go to accounting voucher. So the very first step is that you have withdrawn the cash from bank. Okay, so we will assume that you withdrawn rupees 12,000 from bank. Okay, so let's give the date. We will assume that the transaction happened on 30th April. Okay, you have to use the contra voucher. Okay, in my earlier videos also I have told you that whenever the transaction is coming between cash, bank or bank to bank transfer, at that time you have to use contra voucher. Okay, so as you have withdrawn the cash, so in account you will write as cash, and under particulars you will give bank account. Okay, so as I have told you that you have withdrawn a cash of rupees 12,000 being cash withdrawn. So this is exactly the first step which is happening, that you have withdrawn the cash. So the total 12,000 cash I have entered in my transaction. All right, let's go to balance sheet. Let's see how the transaction is being reflected. So cash in hand. Okay, what I will do? Yes, you can see that I am having a transaction of 12,000 right now. Okay, so my balance, cash in hand balance is 12,000. Okay, but friends, what is happening? Out of this 12,000, 10,000 I will be using for office and 2,000 I will be using for my personal use. So the amount which you will be using for your office work or your daily expenses of your office, that amount you don't have to make any transaction, because that should get reflected under your cash in hand, and out of that you will be making the further expenses. But the 2,000 rupees which you will be using for your personal expense, for that you have to make a transaction, and that transaction will be from payment voucher. Why? Because out of 12,000, 2,000 you will be using for personal use, and that is nothing but drawings. Okay, for business the personal expenses is always drawings. So how you will make that entry? Okay, credit the cash account and debit the drawing account. Okay, create the ledger as drawings under capital account. Okay, and 2,000 being cash used for personal expense. All right friends, now again we will go into a balance sheet. All right, under current asset you would be able to see that the cash in hand is 10,000. Why? Because out of 12,000 I have made an expense of 2,000, and that 2,000 is nothing but my personal expense. And where it will get reflected? It will get reflected under your capital account, under drawings. Okay, so whatever capital you have contributed for your business, from drawings it will get reduced. Why? Because drawings is having a debit balance and capital is having a credit balance. All right friends, I hope this concept must be clear, that how you have to make the entry when you are withdrawing the cash, some amount of cash as a proprietor, and out of that some amount you are using for your business purpose and some amount you are using for your personal purpose. Okay, so if you want any accounting related queries or entries, do comment me. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Thank you.